Let's just talk about this for just a little bit. So, step one, obvious, contrast, causes you to ask. Step two, source answers. And while you may not be aware of it, there is a vibrational reality that has assembled and the cooperative components are gathered. The question is, are you a cooperative component to your own desire? And the answer is sometimes yes and sometimes no, and you can tell by the way you feel which it is. Step three is a sort of consistent awareness of what your real work is. You've got to find a way of becoming a vibrational match to your desire even before the desire has manifested. That is so essential to understand. Step four is being there consistently. That's what our friend was really asking about. The answer to what you were asking is more of a step four answer, that awakening that you are consistently accomplishing. In other words, you're just really good. You want to feel good. You know how to feel good. You know what thoughts don't feel good. You sort of shy away from those. You know what people don't feel good. You don't spend much time with those. You know what movies make you feel bad. You don't watch many of those. In other words, you care about how you feel. That's what step four is. You have come to the place where you finally acknowledge that the way you feel, that your emotional guidance system is your indication of what you're doing in the blending of your desires and your beliefs. Some time ago, we said on a really regular basis, if you want it and believe it, then it is. That's what expectation is. I want it and I believe it, and therefore there's no variance in the thought that I'm offering on a regular basis and what I desire. Now, what step five is? Step five is I've asked for it, source has answered it, I am consistently in a place of feeling good about it, and now I am not set off my game when negative emotion presents itself to me. Instead, I understand the power and the value of returning to step one over and over again. Step five mastery is an acceptance that step one is a good thing. The acceptance that step one is good. The acceptance that negative emotion is good. Negative emotion is guidance, because all of it is leading to more. And since I've got mastery, does it matter if I'm always there 100% of the time when I know I can get there anytime I choose to with a relatively short amount of focus? That's what mastery is, step five. We think this is a good time for a segment of reflection.